will be a new lease to go and do mining in a forest reserve. Gold, you can do your mining. If it is not a forest reserve and you're doing it legally, no two ways about that. Then, mining, from what would you to also? We call it the Mineral and Mining Act. Now, as such, a dawama or mining, increasing we are going to impose a stiffer punishment. And nobody will prevent you. You can do your mining, but follow the law. Maybe our concession one year. No problem. No way did will be any new problem. But say you mining will assume never. It will not happen under John Mahama because the punishment will be stiffer. And when I do what, Sammy Gyamfi frame ye. Frame a crime me as watch you. We owe this a duty to God and country, and John Mahama will lead us to it. Amount for illegal mining, Tino. As so yeah, no, na Juma say or share mining, so no making sure say ye mining kwam personal. Ye ba be train amana ye kese. Afa Juma ye fo bibiri wo ho. Omuti fi omunya Juma nya. John Mahama is coming to employ them. Now ya expand the human capital or resource base of Mineral Commission. Omo na hwe former good year too so. Say na be ya district bia no mo benya office ho. So we are decentralizing it. In the just omo tenkan and I say operate soldier for tax force say they should go around and fight illegal mining. No. Minerals Commission will be in every district making sure say obi a open license obi open concession bia ni so bank kan na call regional capital. The district wa no obi to me apply no go through the process. Easy. So that you can also get your concession to do legal, responsible mining. Now, almost so hunting, almost so waiting your supervisor, almost so waiting your train you, and making sure say mining now way and no kwampaso. Inti ye party for ye be creative biamo, ye back for Ghana for nyina. But ye making sure say ye the Minerals Commission ba waboboano decentralized in every district, so that you will not have an excuse. You will follow the law, and everything will be there. The training, everything will be there. So the decentralization is very possible. Ebeboama saga miners are NPP for same small scale miners in Nano. Your business will be booming, provided you will mine in water, provided you will not go and destroy a forest reserve. Wajuma be koso kama. Now also why ye. Now, apart from that, John Mahama NDC eba be Ghana Geological Survey Department mo. Now almost to me, I intensify geological surveys. They are friend of exploration and prospecting. Senebeya, you bet me approve a lot of reserves. Na Ghana, yenso ye chefe wasi ye nyana wa gudio nyamedia che no etimi akosoro because in print abaina mfa sika nhye agudie hwehwem. Enti ankrankra na de ono ani sika be exploration, a friend reconnaissance survey, or exploration akwa prospecting and some akwaje mining lease. Na nam say ankrankra na de ni sika ye bibia enti no wi a ofa sika ni nyina no ama bank to be 10% carried interest plus royalties and taxes. Say sika no enti ni muaye ma ye ntumpon. It is a Ghana ye pay higher percentage there. Na we say a geological survey for sika. Na form ogudie hwehwe no omu ye bi kese. Se Ghana ya ye nyane de mawa, your percentage ni nye 10%, it can be 30, 40. They said their mama in binumaya or my ye no. That is what John Mahama is coming to do, so that we can benefit from the natural resources. Natural resources are unyame and their chair. Bibina a threatening ye in your life. No. This is it, the gold board. First of its kind, John Mahama deba. Ghana gold board, John Mahama betse. Juma yukufu frokra. Na gold board di omunas but omo person almost ye mine kwan bone so essay o mine de almost so yetimi deal with them and almost say kind of fenu e betwa bankum e betwa nifa. But what would this gold board be doing? Potoka say they will provide mining support services to the industry, including concession viability. Open concession gold board no be concession no de ye papa okoje besia ebe shem ye adwuma na omoka the viability of the concession no, gold board no be aye hwehwemu kita data no be kire say waba open concession hana a good year no. So you will not be working in the dark. Health, safety, and efficiency in mining. Ombesan so ama omo ye mining teteye. Ewo kwa omo befa so ye mining na obi nkowu, obi nkoyare. Ye be ye ne kwampa so. Ye de santete ni nyina be ma wo mo. Mining no how to operate the mine I betumi am wanya so mfa so ye. That's what we mean by efficiency. Ko betumi aye mining aboka. Gold board ne de santete ni nyina be ma small scale miners. Now the end of the day, say small scale miners are more paying fidye. I can see the iron mining, equipment financing, gold board, ebe to in fidye ni bi near the amount na wutuya. Ye the bad ababe bois or mine enti for more good year and say cement two no mining ya sika. But to ni kwampa. So that's all we are saying. So if you are well established, you follow the law, you follow the due process. I will say a boy na wunya fidie ni bi kura gold board will help you. Ni aboa wait me ato fidie a so de be mining ni bi. Me feel say we asem de ema small scale miners nyina. And there will be research and standardization, gold recovery optimization. These are technical issues ye bedi hun komo another time. So this is what the gold board will be doing. Now ade ba ko so gold board be say omo be yeno be yire ne pampe we small scale miner ye be shew compulsory by force untumi nya ene untumi nya adwuma ye be shew say we be go through skills training in land reclamation e kwan a we ye mining we na utu amna e was all fast to see asase no by force training ye be train you in techniques in land reclamation and sana ya my license. So the gold board will do all that. Then gold no so tu wi a anya say utu wi ya na de akwakoton gold board no e de nhye be to nchen because Ghana to gold no itu gold ni wa ha bebre wo ha ye hu bebi efa enti this time around aban be restricted say utu gold na yen sachire mu yen nane emfa fa fidie mu na ye de kwama no ne koton a amayenya sika Jomama Bresso 2016 we got the second largest gold refinery in the whole of Africa, the biggest in the whole of West Africa. All these refineries are not working. So through a deliberate government policy no even making sure say gold na ye to ye ben na ne dia ye nyema bebre e ho na sika ne wo and the day adwuma so be den e be Ghana. So these are some of the things the gold board will do. So me bonneto fa John Mahama and the NDC eba ababe kwetia former goodie to basa ye nsuom any forest reserves e de yade e de nsuo shortages eba ekum nipa no ye betu ase na de de beba ne se obi a wo pese wo ye mining kwampa so ne mra kwan so bia no ya ma kwan aboa wo amwatumi aye gold board be wo ho entitiye no ye de be ma wo enfidie no ye be boa wo mo anya bi concession no eba waboboa no because we are Decentralizing Minerals Commission. Party sembi anyo. Transparent, fair, competitive. Na wonso so wetimi aye adwuma e de adidi wetimi e de abobra. This is what John Mahama and the NDC ye promising on illegal mining. And what the total the akoso in the last 7 years no one. We said there is a big difference. We said this is the right policy e be boa yen. Na e de a certain sense of order in the mining sector. Na boa magana afanentomapa efra. Now, Abusia, I want to at this stage show you some of the things John Maham campaign trail because to follow the campaign, but he's make very important comments. Emeriti, I'll bring you just 3 of those videos. So, producer. Unfortunately, and I'm saying Papa Wobunoman Temiti or Ketri Kasa, it in Chechemuno and also. One Kasa is a master communicator, and everything he's saying is self-explanatory. And the producer, let's start from the Bawizi comments. Let's go to Cashew, let's go to Fisherman, let's go to DKM, the NT and Semwa. Yeura John Dramani Mahama, by the grace of God, the incoming president of Ghana, or the Atudra. You really signing out.
What says Sikasem de Vieno? I feel say digitalization. Ezu na tempo ne nwanwa say o say on your nim ho hwe no ye driver mate kwa enye ono na no kaka no na wo a wo ye driver mate a wo sua kaka every driver banza ho a ode o minor kohwe ase no na wo say yemfa o minor nhyɛ wo sa ebe ye yie wo master o kire wade onim kaka e no de ga na kohwe ase. Now who are we driver mate? We see a very first year no more. Young construction driver be or what license are? Waka can na young huda young construction driver no. Or no one never construction no. Ezu. Me am engineer hey John Dramani Mahama. Mekuta Ghana mainda. Abraham mekuta Ghana main. Na sumdwe wo ho. Na eduane wo ho. Na first CD 9 unya dollar baako. And then so this is all the 16 CDs and then when $1 back on. Ezu Abraham ikuta o mine with the 14 CDs are ubenya petrol gallon back on. And then so with the 14 CDs are ubenya pintoa back up. Abraham ikuta Ghana mine na cement bottle back on 26 CDs. And then ahena ye ton cement o kentampoha 100 CDs. Ezu. Now when na echire ni omo ka kire se ekra masetina ye echen abra jomama ye omanpanyi. Ezu. Yefunu ye dia. Ene ese come there. What say dey be ya main? Etimi ye yesa. Wa wo di yefunu. What say kan say come there. And so NPP for be ka kire say what did ya main? Ezu. Enti ni ayafamu no e wose ye disua nyansa eni ye koko no saa ne be ye cashew koko emre no dru say ye beti koko a government announce producer price of cocoa I just say ekwafo no enim say mete bottle a say na menya saa ne be ye ama cashew so emre no be so a ye be bo price no sene be ya ekwani no be hu sikadodo a obenya so okote ne cashew na ya ma factory for no ato no mo siesie ne kama na yeso ye de akwa ama no ne akoton ene ameka say Indian for ebeto ye cashew omo de cashew no ko India no mo akonua no mo ye ne kama no mo omo de akọ abrochire akoje dollars na yen ha de yabe ma bibi kakre bi no eto betwa ensise foforo a de de ba no ebe boa ama ekuafo no so eje sika etimi ahwe omo abrabon nim se nipa bebre wo ha eye afare adwuma abra omampanyi JEA Mills nyamenfa ne kransie abra obe pre omampanyi edibia no onante Ghana ha nyina a one afare for kasae ebisa se omo ha one den ade ba kwa omu nyina ka ne se premix no omo sanka eno hye omo bo se oba ode nhihye papa eba se ne be ya afare for no ene benya premix no ampa so ne bo hye no odi so omaye nante Ghana ha nyina bebia afare adwuma ekoso bia omo ye landing beach committee I just a premix na ba na akodi landing beach committee ensem se omunya premix na omu de nim afare for no no ma cha ma omu fefefe na obiara ensaka premix ne bi ye nuadom de bibia omu de omu saka bia omu de politics bebam enti ene amene wo ka say premix na ba na akodi party chairman ensem premix ba na akodi women's organizer ensem enti obe say afare for Ope premixer, this is called party women's organizer. Ah, yeah, hairdresser. Afarini ekoto premix or hairdresser ho. Sadi entwasum. Ezu.
That was His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. These are snipers of his picture or the Tuja in the Bono East. Mene can say, oh, Enyamene Pebia or China and Obebu Naketim, a free region. And so far, it's been massive, it's been mammoth. And Nijene, Ahokeka, Omanfo, the Shian on Efe Krakwa. And same be about Bontin about Droman Kesia Himfubini. I think the matter has been clarified. Ohinenankasa issue statement at Chum and Asemne. So it's been a very successful tour, and we thought that we should bring you this. Now, I'm going to read a few messages, and John Mahama's tape na yedi can boy, and we'll go back to that before we sign out today. So Solly Evans said, under the umbrella, you are safe from adverse economic conditions, corruption, Galamsey jobs, fully available. Next, producer. Next. We want to see the messages. Yes, Fidelis Abelba say, good evening, Sammy. Please take the opportunity and clarify that NPP did not lose in Galamsey areas because of their fight against it, but due to the fact that the government and the NPP drove the natives out of the forest and took over the Galamsey sites. Today, we all know kingpins of Galamsey are in the presidency. You're totally right. And yes, if you are no more Kuwaitia Galamsey in Ghana for in those areas to abetium. No, Ghana for hononimde. Kuwaitia Galamsey abo musu hubaya kombetuama. But they saw say omobejeji amount for concession, and they rather were doing the Galamsey, destroying their lands, their forests, and their water bodies, and nothing to abetiam. Fidelis Yadase. Now, Cade Menard said the NPP leaders must be made to drink the polluted waters till the waters become clean like it was. A very good suggestion. Very good suggestion, Cade Menard. It is something that we should consider. Penyufo no ya chewo mo na ya sansuo ni bia mo na nkomanno me free se kebebo apa. Nelson Yesuto Kofi Akotia say President Akufo-Addo promised to put his presidency on the line and fight Galamsey. He rather lay the presidency on the floor like carpet for his appointees to work on to engage in more Galamsey activities. Say bye-bye to NPP and Bawumia. Vote John Mahama for president. Yeah, that's a Nelson. Abu Sadek Azindu say a gang of thieves. I mean daylight thieves is what NPP is. 7 December will separate them from our dear country. John Mahama was the right person to deliver, and still he is the same person to deliver. Abu Yadase. John Bosco Akutia. Also, comments from Anodon Prayer on the issue of Galamsey in Parliament yesterday was one of the most pedestrian, reckless, irresponsible ever in the history of the Fourth Republic. That is true. And for your comments. It's very, very important. Say, on issues like this, yebema on minor and kanko edi enim kai. Yebema no kre edi enim kai. Na ya take decision ebe Ghana and not to please or political party and an penyinfobia war party. Dear Akufo-Addo Bawumia ni NPP aye. Efa Galamsey who in the last 8 years no eye krono eye nada eye frakadam eye wudie no medio minor, and we must hold them accountable on 7th December. We cannot waste that opportunity. Inti wa wo hweme no, vote for change so that ensesama pabeba, and I've shown you what John Mahama and the NDC would do differently. But hwe wasitena so na to abapa. Because after everything is said and done, when you said your daddy Gemono in the names in the situation, it is a koya winning and koya winning. If you were sitting not to abapa. And that is what John Mahama said in the first video. Producer, repeat that video for us before we come and wrap up. Can we have the video of John Mahama talking about the first video we played, the Bawizi video? If we can have that.
I feel we see digitalization. Ezu na fempo ne nwanwa say o say oni onim ho hwe no ye driver mate kwa enye ono na no kaka no na wo a driver mate a wusua kaka every driver mate wo say afa yen first year no ma o yen ko hwe driver bi o what license a wa kaka na yen huda yen ko hwe sa driver no. Ono ani ebe kwa kwhwe no ezu Me amijina he John Dramani Mahama mekuta Ghana maida. Abra mekuta Ghana mai na asumdwe wo ho. Na eduane wo ho. Na ofa CD 9 unya dollar baako. And so there this all the 16 CDs ansana wenya dollar baako. Ezu Abra mekuta o mai wo the 14 CDs ubenya petrol gallon baako. And so there with the 14 CDs ubenya pentoa baako pe. Abraham ikuta Ghana man na cement bottle baako 26 CDs. And then ahena ye ton cement wo kentampo ha 100 CDs. Ezu na we nyina echire ni omo ka kire se ekra masetina ye echen Abra Jomama ye omanpanyin. Ezu yefunu ye dia ene ese come there what say baby ya me etimi ye yesa wa wodi yefunu what think can say come there and so NPP for be catch us say what did ya me ezu enti ni ayafamu no e wose ye disua nyansa.
That was His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Let's learn from our experiences. Now, before I go, if I can have this, there is an ongoing umbrella challenge that I'm enjoying. I say, feel safe under the umbrella. NDC, the colors are beautiful. So this is going on social media, and Mekanfoma will say you should join. We are all joining the umbrella challenge. We are all safe under the NDC umbrella. It is symbolic. Ejina homa bibi se NDC mu ena ye nyina no yasumdwe yenkanko yempuntuo yahoto ewo. This is what chinyewe ejina homa to benya chinya. You can just pose and take a picture and put it on social media. But beyond the umbrella challenge, I want to talk to you about something. On say eneme ba ye no de bia ka me share suit na ma share kaftan no, but today I'm wearing my party colors. JC, WFFF, and there are many of it available. We'll check your platforms now. We will let you know. On NDC 360 this week, we'll let you know where you can get some of these JCs to buy. Meminda Ebe, with the powers vested in me as the National Communications Officer of the NDC, we are declaring Saturday Ebe. I believe that should be 7th of September. As Rep Your Party Colors Day. Rep Your NDC Party Colors Day. And whether you have a JC or a party t-shirt or any NDC colors, it is red, it is black, it is green and white. Just wear these colors, take a picture and post it on your WhatsApp status, your profile, your DP, post it on Facebook, post it on X, now Twitter, post it on any social, TikTok, let's flood social media with our beautiful NDC colors because change is coming. The victory of the NDC is coming because Ghana for yebre yehuamane. Amamwo bone no adoso. Katashe project dream kankaino adoso. Sa Galamsey amamwo yempe. Yepa amamwo papa ede ahoto ede adwuma ne mpuntu ebebre. Eno ntia busuafo, I am Sammy Gyamfi NDC Achiame, and I brought you this edition of NDC 360. Ehani yedibesi na what we say na yebesa so share biem. Good evening and have a good night.
Ghana must work more efficiently.